Hey everyone, look at what we have here, a 1965 Chevelle Malibu convertible. It's been body off frame restored, just a nice comfy cruiser. 283, has power steering and power brakes. Beautiful car. You can go to volocars.com where you can look at 200 classic cars, all for sale. And that's where you find a price tag and a monthly payment on each one of them, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. So the paint is actually, the body and paint and interior is actually part of an older restoration. They recently took the body off the frame and redid everything underneath. That was just done. But the paint job is probably about 15 years old. It presents very nicely. It's straight, it's clean. The hood, the fender, all this looks very nice. All looks good. Nice, handsome lines on the car. Oh, it opens easily. Shuts like a new car. So all this looks good. It has nice body lines that wrap around the trunk. All this looks really good. Has a typical, actually very minor hairline crack here. The convertibles all get that right there. Straight, clean, fits nicely. All this looks really good. Again, nice lines, straight, smooth, clean. There's some nicks on the edge of the door touched up and right up here at the top. Shuts so nicely. I like a door that shuts real nice. So all the gaps are consistent. Here's some touch-ups at the front edge of the door too. Looks like there's plenty of clearance. So yeah, it's definitely not touching now. Maybe at one point it was and they readjusted it. So it's repainted Crocus Yellow. Again, very presentable. You stand by the car, you walk around the car. It's beautiful. There's a little flaw here or there. There's some little touch up on the lower part over here. But yeah, looks nice. The chrome sparkles. The bumpers are beautiful and all the grille and the trim and the emblems look real nice. The hood spear is shiny, but when you look at it, there's some little pitting going on there. The moldings are nice. The cross flag emblems sparkling. It has bow tie mirrors on both sides. They look nice. The vent window frames look nice, and the stainless trim looks good. Windshield's crystal clear. It's probably been replaced recently. Door handles might be original. There's a little bit of wear. It has the rear mounted antenna. I always like that better just because the way it's angled, it looks cool. New emblem is sparkling. And then when it comes around back here, the bumper and the trim, just like the front of the car, it's all nice and shiny. And remember, you put your gas in behind the license plate. And it's sitting on some 15-inch polished aluminum American Racing torque thrust wheels with some Cooper Cobra white letter tires. The tire and wheel combo give it a bit of a muscular look. Tires are new, still has the nubs on the tread. So that's the outside of the car. It's looking real good. Let's check out the rest of it. I didn't even mention the top. It's a black convertible top. Looks to be in excellent shape. There's good photos of that on our website, volocars.com. So under the trunk lid, it's painted nicely. The jamb up here is a little dry. Well, it's just some of it wipes off, but overall looks good. The weather strip is replaced. Nice, clean, solid trunk compartment with the gray and white spatter. It's complete with a mat, jack, and spare assembly. Yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post some really great cars and neat content, and I think you'll enjoy it. And do visit our website or visit us in person, better yet. Door jambs are very decent looking. The weather strip around the door is replaced. So the interior is probably done at the same time as the exterior. Reproduction door panels, armrests, all looks real nice. This has an optional padded dash. They were just metal, so that's an option. And all this looks good. All the paint is nice, and then the chrome instrument bezel all looks good. The instruments look real nice. Has a retro stereo, fits right in the location, so they didn't cut anything up. Again, all this looks nice. Glove box liner looks good. Opens and closes nice. Didn't embarrass me like a lot of them do. Kick panels look real good. The carpet's replaced, has Malibu Floor mats in here. The seats feel nice. They're not blown out. The cushion and spring is real good, and they're upholstered in a beige and fawn. And the front seats have seat belts, which were also optional in 1965, believe it or not. So all this looks good. You got floor mats in back, and same deal. Wall to wall. It's all upholstered nicely. The armrest, and the window cranks look new back there. But just an easy car, comfortable, easy. You hop in, go get ice cream. It's not $100,000 or anywhere even close to it where you have to overly worry about it. Just a nice looking car will get compliments wherever you go. The original 283 engine, original 283 motor with correct numbers and codes. It's still the 2-barrel. You know what that tells me? They haven't been beating on it. I mean, everyone puts a 4-barrel and chrome parts and headers. That's the 283 2-barrel. They did go through the motor. The crank was reground. All stock. The Chevrolet script valve covers, the manifolds, the air cleaner, all stock. Everything's painted nicely, clean. Looks like they smoothed the firewall. Battery cables look fresh. Radiator, pulleys, fan, all that looks proper. Now, I said it's an easy cruiser. It does have power steering, and it has power brakes, and this all looks brand new, and the wiper motor looks brand new. The squirters are hooked up. We got hood insulation. So nice, clean engine compartment, easy to maintain. You can get at all them spark plugs with no problem. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, and I'll see you back in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, the top is down and it's time to go for a cruise. Beautiful Chevelle here. Really nice driver, nice cruiser for sure. 283 V8 under the hood. That's paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Go out, hit up the cruise nights with this one. Have a lot of fun. Nice sounding exhaust, got a little rumble to it, but pretty mellow. It's got power steering, power disc brakes up front for a nice easy ride. Interior's been redone. Seats feel like they're restuffed. Really nice and comfy. And yeah, our shop went over this car top to bottom. We spent about a $1,300 bill between service and detail on it, getting it into turnkey ready to go out and cruise kind of condition. Real nice clean idle there, you guys can see. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without a hiccup. I was just, about halfway in the throttle, more than adequate power. It's a very nice, fun, easy to use cruiser. Fantastic. Let's see how it goes down the road. I can tell already, when you let them go and they're super dialed in, yeah, straight as an arrow goes down the road. It's a fantastic vehicle. Looks like we're gonna catch a little traffic here. So, but yeah, get on the phone, call our sales team. We'll be more than happy to arrange a test drive for you if that's what you feel you need to do. We also welcome third-party inspections and personal inspections. We'll put them up on a lift in our shop for you, and you can spend as much time with the car as you want to. And yeah, other than that, check out all the pictures, details, and the full description at volocars.com.
So again, it's body off the frame restored. That part of it was just done a couple of months ago. They took the body off the frame and actually they replaced the entire underbody, all reproduction. I believe it was a one-piece floor with the braces and the inner rockers. It's all brand new under there. There's no rust. It's all painted nice and black. So at the same time, they rebuilt the entire chassis. All of the suspension and steering. I mean, I'm talking springs, shocks, ball joints, bushings, front and back, all redone. The brake system was all redone. All the lines, hoses replaced. The e-brake assemblies replaced. The fuel system's completely replaced. The tank, the sending unit, the lines. It has a custom dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. Sounds real nice. You look up at the motor, it's nice, clean Chevy orange, has a new starter. They upgraded the 2-speed power glide transmission. That's what they had in 65. Upgraded it with a turbo 350, so it has that extra gear. The 10-bolt rear end, they put new seals in it and fresh gear lube. So under the car is new. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions like how to get your 65 Chevelle delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.